High-altitude experiments. Dachau, 1942. Dachau concentration camp. Dr. Sigmund Rascher sets up low-pressure chamber. Prisoners dragged in, strapped to metal seats. Helmets locked on heads. Door seals shut, air pumps out. Altitude climbs, 10,000 feet. Breathing quickens, 20,000 feet. Lungs burn. Ears pop. Blood trickles from noses. Victims claw at straps. Rascher watches through glass, notes every twitch. 30,000 feet. Bodies swell, eyes bulge. Convulsions begin. Arms jerk, mouths open wide, no sound. 40,000 feet. Hearts race. Then slow. Stop. Bodies slump. Chamber opens. Bodies pulled out. Some still twitch. Rascher orders dissection. Scalpel cuts chest. No anesthesia. Heart exposed, lungs collapsed. Brain tissue removed. While victim breathes last gasps. Rascher writes, brain shows edema. He measures blood pressure drop. Notes time to unconsciousness. Orders more tests on different ages. 200 prisoners tested. 80 die in chamber. Survivors dissected alive. Organs pulled. Data sent to Himmler. Useful for Luftwaffe pilots. Bodies burned. Ashes scattered. Rascher celebrates results with champagne. Next prisoner strapped in. Chamber seals again. Air thins. Screams muffled. Freezing experiments. Dachau, 1942 to 1943. Same camp. Freezing tests. Prisoners stripped naked. Thrown into ice water tanks. Water at 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. Bodies plunge. Shivering starts. Teeth chatter. Skin turns blue. Temperature drops to 28 degrees. Hypothermia hits. Victims beg. Stop, please. Rascher ignores. Measures pulse. Inserts probes. Some die slowly. Hearts flutter. Stop. Others pulled out. Revived with hot water. Or forced animal warmth. Live rabbits pressed against bodies. No help. Women ordered to hug victims. Naked. Bodies pressed. Still no recovery. 300 prisoners tested. 90 die. Survivors lose fingers, toes, legs amputated. Gangrene spreads. Rascher notes. Jews freeze faster than Aryans. False. Bodies dumped in pits. Data sent to Air Force. Treatment protocols developed. He tests different revival methods. Hot baths fail. Forced sex for warmth fails. Records every failure. Orders more prisoners. New victim thrown in. Water closes overhead. Shivering begins. Please turn to moans. Josef Mengele's twin experiments. Auschwitz, 1943 to 1945. Auschwitz-Birkenau. Train arrives. Mengele stands on ramp. White coat, gloves. Twins, step forward. Selects pairs. Children, adults. Dragged to block 10. Measures heads, eyes, height. Injects chemicals into eyes. Blue dye burns irises. Pain explodes. Vision fades. Twins scream. Blindness sets in. Mengele notes color change. Interesting. Sews twins together. Arms fused, skin stitched. Infections start. Pus flows. Gangrene spreads. Amputates limbs. One twin dies. Other dissected. Compare organs. No anesthesia. Scalpel slices. Victim twitches. Heart still beats. Mengele records. Genetic differences. Infects one twin. Typhus, malaria, tuberculosis. Watches progression. Fevers rise. Bodies shake. Cough blood. One dies. Other autopsied. Organs removed. Compared. 3,000 twins arrive. 1,500 pairs tested. Only 200 survive. Mengele flees in 1945. Escapes justice. Twins left scarred. Broken. Many commit suicide later. Mengele photographs before and after. Collects eyes. Sends to Berlin. New pair dragged in. Door slams. Mengele smiles. Needles ready. Smiles. Mengele's disease and surgery experiments. Auschwitz Mengele selects victims. Injects diseases. Typhus serum. Malaria parasites. Tuberculosis bacteria. Twins infected. One treated, one not. Fevers rise, bodies shake. Cough blood. One dies. Other dissected. Cut open alive. Lungs removed, still breathing. Heart cut out. Mengele watches. Study progression. Transplants organs. Kidney from one to other. Both die. Autopsy. Phenol injected to heart. Instant death. Bodies to crematorium. Smoke rises. Another victim dragged in. Injected with virus. Fever builds. Skin rash spreads. Victim collapses. Dissected on table. Scalpel cuts throat to toe. Organs weighed, measured. Mengele dictates notes. Reaction time, 48 hours. Hundreds tested. Diseases spread through camp. Victims isolate, starve, die alone. Mengele moves to next block, selects more, orders sterilization tests, X-rays on ovaries, burns tissue. Victims scream. Infertility follows. Records success. Another twin pair enters. Injections prepared. Needles pierce skin. Screams fill room. Unit 731, Biological Warfare and Vivisection, Manchuria, 1937 to 1945 Pingfang Facility. General Shiro Ishii commands. Prisoners called Maruta, logs. Chinese civilians, Soviet soldiers, Koreans. 3,000 to 12,000 victims, infected with plague. Buboes swell under arms. Fever spikes to 41 degrees. Skin blackens, cough blood. Dissect alive, strapped to table. No anesthesia. Scalpel cuts abdomen. Intestines spill. Victim gasps. Remove liver. Heart still beats. Pull lungs. Blood pools. Doctor's note. Plague spreads fast. Thousands cut open. Bodies burned. New prisoner dragged in. Injected with cholera. Diarrhea starts. Dehydration sets in. Victim writhes. Dissected. Stomach cut open. Fluids pour. Organs examined. Ishii watches. Approves. More injections. Anthrax spores. Skin boils. Blisters burst. Cut open. Flesh peeled. Victim screams. Dies slow. Data recorded. Weapon potential high. Bodies stacked. Burned in pits. Doctors wash hands. Move to next room. New log strapped down. Knife raised. Cut begins. Unit 731 Frostbite and Amputation tests. Frostbite experiments. Prisoners tied outside. Exposed to sub-zero cold. Limbs freeze. Fingers blacken. Arms turn hard. Brought inside. Limbs thawed. Pain surges. Gangrene spreads. Amputate limbs. Saw through bone. No anesthesia. Victim bites tongue. Screams. Reattach limbs to wrong body. Stitch mismatched arms. Infections rage. Pus drains. Victim faints. Revived. Tested again. Freeze legs. Amputate. Study healing. Doctors cut open stumps. Probe tissue. Note decay rate. Useful for Siberian front. Hundreds tested. Limbs lost. Victims crawl. Die from shock. Bodies dissected. Organs harvested. Ishii reviews data. Orders more. New prisoner tied. Cold wind blows. Skin cracks. Limbs numb. Freeze complete. Saw raised. Cut through frozen flesh. Blood frozen. Victim wakes in pain. Screams echo. Doctors take notes. Amputation time, 4 minutes. Prisoner tied outside. Wind howls, skin freezes, limbs blacken. Unit 731 plague bombs and field tests. Breed plague fleas in labs. Thousands infected. Bombs assembled. Ceramic shells filled. Dropped on Chinese villages. Bombs shatter. Fleas jump out. Bite skin. Plague spreads. Fever hits. Buboes swell. Victims cough blood. Skin blackens. Die in streets. Families bury bodies. Wells poisoned with cholera. Water drunk. Diarrhea spreads. Dehydration kills. Food contaminated with anthrax. Eaten. Stomachs swell. Internal bleeding. Death in hours. 200,000 to 500,000 civilians tested in fields. Villages quarantined. Ishii flies over. Notes death rates. Effective weapon. More bombs dropped. Fleas swarm. People flee. Caught. Infected. Dissected in lab. Organs studied. Data logged. Ishii smiles. Orders production. Villages burn. Bodies pile. Smoke rises. Survivors hunted. Brought back. Tested again. Bomb opens. Fleas scatter. Villagers scratch. Fall ill. Unit 731. Vivisection on pregnant women. Pregnant women captured. Injected with syphilis. Plague. Gonorrhea. Bellies swell. Fevers rage. Babies deformed inside. Dissected alive. Strapped down. Scalpel cuts womb. Baby removed. Still kicking. Studied. Heart rate measured. Organs weighed. Mother bleeds. Screams. Cut further. Uterus removed. Spread examined. Hundreds tested. Babies infected. Cut open. Tiny heart stop. Mothers die slow. Bodies burned. Issue reviews. Reproduction effects noted. New woman dragged in. Injected. Weight stays. Fever builds. Dissected. Baby pulled. Cries briefly. Silenced. Data added. Doctors photograph fetuses. Collect samples. Send to Tokyo. Woman strapped. Scalpel cuts. Baby pulled. Cries stop. Unit 731 chemical and gas tests. Chemical tests. Mustard gas sprayed. Skin blisters. Eyes burn. Blindness sets in. Victims claw faces. Dissected. Lungs removed. Filled with fluid. Still breathing. Phosgene gas. Lungs dissolve. Cough blood. Cut open. Organs melt. Lewisite gas. Blisters burst. Pus flows. Amputate limbs. Study burns. No painkillers. Victim writhes. Dies. Hundreds gassed. Bodies peeled. Flesh examined. Issue tests on field. Gas bombs dropped. Villages choke. People run. Collapse. Dissected on site. Data collected. Gas weapons ready. Doctors wear masks. Victims do not. Gas clouds drift. More victims brought. Gas mask removed. Inhale. Coughing blood. Lungs burn. Unit 731 Starvation and Rape Experiments. Starvation tests. No food. Water only. Bodies waste. Ribs show. Organs shrink. Weakness sets in. Dissected when near death. Cut open. Stomach empty. Liver small. Note limits. Rape experiments. Males infected with syphilis. Forced on females. Spread tracked. Women impregnated. Babies born sick. Dissected. Spread studied. Hundreds raped. Infected. Cut open. Organs removed. Victims die from complications. Data logged. Transmission rates high. Doctors watch. Take notes. Order more. As victims beg, ignored. Guards drag prisoner. Door closes. Screams begin. Unit 731 ends 1945. Ishii destroys evidence. Buildings demolished. Bodies burned. U.S. grants immunity. Takes data. Ishii lives free. Dies 1959. Victims gone. Data used. Horror hidden. These WWII experiments killed tens of thousands. Tortured more. In name of science. No consent, no mercy. Real, documented, unforgivable.